Today we are going to start a new chapter, Introduction to Scratch. Now Scratch is a block-based programming language. Scratch was created by MIT Media Lab. Scratch allows the students to create the stories, music, arts and games. Now what is Scratch? Scratch is a programming language. It has been created by MIT Media Lab. Scratch allows you to create your own program, music and games. Now children, we will learn how to open the Scratch. To open Scratch, click the start button, click Scratch, then you can see the Scratch window will be displayed. Now children, I will show you how to open the Scratch. Click the start button, select Scratch. Now you can see the Scratch window, children, over here. This is Scratch window. Now we will learn the parts of the Scratch window. Now we are going to learn what are the parts of the Scratch window or elements of Scratch. Now here you can see a small box with a dark blue color. This is known as full screen mode. And here you can see green color flag and red color dot. The green color flag indicates to start the game and red color button is to stop the game. Now here on the menu bar you can see the sprite tools. What are these tools known as? Sprite tools. Now sprite tools contain duplicate, delete, grow, shrink and block help tools will be available here in the sprite tools option. Now what is sprite, children? A sprite is a cat image. What is this? This is a sprite. Now what is this? This white area is known as stage. The stage displays your creation. Now what is this blocks, children? Here you can see a block over here. This is known as motion, a block palette or blocks. You can call it as block palette or block menu. Now children, what is this area? This area is known as script area. What do you mean by script? This is the place where you create a program. Here in script area we can create a program. The script is created by dragging the instructions from the block palette. Now here you can see, children, block palette. From this block palette you can drag the instructions and drop it on each other in the script area. Now what is scripts? The instructions that we give to the sprite to perform any action is known as a program. Now children, what is a program? Program is nothing but the instructions, step-by-step instructions to perform a task. Now what is this costume? Costume allows you to draw or import or edit the image of the sprite. Now you can edit the image of the sprite by using costume option. Sound, we can record sound files to the sprite. Sound allows you to record sound files to the sprite. Now children, we will start a program. Now I will show you a sample program. Now children, let me show you what are the options over here in the sprite tools. Now here you can see a duplicate. Duplicate is to create a duplicate copy of the sprite. Now what is this option? Delete. You can delete the duplicate option. By using this you can delete. And what is this? Grow. You can grow the image. By using this you can increase the size of the sprite. And what is this? Shrink. By using the shrink option you can reduce the size of the sprite. Now here you can see the three tabs over here. This is script tab, costume tab and sound tab. Now this is script area. Now we will learn how to create a program. Now to create a program, here in the script area you must drag and drop the instructions. Now we will go to the event block. Go to event block. Now here you can see the 8 blocks over here. Yes. Now from these 8 blocks I am going to select event block. Select event block. Then select when clicked. Now say hello. Now I am going to give the instructions to sprite to say hello. Now where to go? Select the looks block. Now say hello. Select and drag it. And then say stop. To go to stop, where we must go? Select the control motion. Select control. In the control you must select stop. You can see the stop over here, children. Click, select and drag it. Now click on this all button and say this sprite. Now when you click here on the small arrow, the sprite will say hello. Click on the start button, then you can see sprite says hello. In this way you can create a program. To learn some more options. Now in the last class I have given you the homework, children. Just check your homework. ये पैक हो